Hello guys, this is Jack Moss here, and I'm back with another tutorial. I thought my other tutorials did pretty good, and I'm basically just doing tutorials when I find something hard or, something I was having issues with. This one you probably hear I'm not breathing heavily is because last time I was, running up and down, so, yeah. But now I'm going to explain how to add, custom audio to Minecraft, which there's a lot of videos on how to add audio to Minecraft, but not custom, because there's two ways. You can replace current files, you can replace record files, or you can use like the music player add-on, which some people don't like, and they can be buggy as heck, and it's just not worth it. So I looked around, okay, a lot on YouTube. How I looked on forums and everything, and I only found one YouTube video explaining how, which, that's not bad. Like, I was close, like, about doing it myself, but it changed things that I didn't know you had to change. So, and I'm making this video because, well, the video is not very popular, and he didn't explain it the best. So he has credit. This is his tutorial or his stuff, not mine. I'm not taking credit. But we do. So we don't really need this here. So I'm deleting it. I'm gonna call this test. Now, let me have some MP. Do I have any MP4 files? Okay, so basically what you'll need to do is let me get the MP. You want to go to the description and download Audacity if you don't already have it. If you already have it, amazing, because you'll need it. Well, you don't need it. There's other ways to do it. Like there's online what do you call them? MP4 to OGG files. But yeah, Audacity is the easiest and it's free. So what I would do is that I'm gonna grab my file. Okay, I'm gonna grab my file. It's a sample MP4 MP3 file. Boom. Now we can hear it, and you'll see it's a real MP3 file. Then you want to click export. Okay, and you'll see all these things. You want to click OGG file, because that's what Minecraft uses. I just use OGG file because it works the best, and I've never had issues with it running on Minecraft. So, personally, I would export just OGGs. At the very bottom. And then you want to go in here, and you want to set test. And you want to save the audio in there. It's going to ask you can put some artists, just don't put anything, it's not important. Then you can just close this. It's not important. You'll see that inside here you'll have an OGG file. It'll be my example. Okay? So now you're probably wondering, okay, well that's pretty simple. Do I just load up Minecraft? No, you little idiot. No, I'm joking, not idiot. But no, you need to actually edit some code. So it does take a bit of smarts, but not really. So you'll see this thing up here. It's called new file or whatever. You want to grab and copy all this except for this. Do not grab this. You want to from here up except for that. And you want to copy. You want to go down a few, and you want to have a space in the middle, like between them. And then you want to change the name of this. So I'm gonna call this test, and then I'm gonna do audio. So this is the code for you to play audio. And then, let me go to my files real fast. You'll see that we need to go in here, and we need to copy that. And then you boom. See, so now this is here. And you're like, oh, is that it? No. It's not it yet. So, I'll admit, if you're adding a lot of audio, it can take some time. And it's just not really time. It's not hard to do. It just takes time. Then we're going to sound.json. This isn't really important, but I would recommend doing it for an easy thing. So up here you'll see this, right? You wanna copy this. It's important to copy this. So the top one you want to copy, click down one, and boom, you'll see this pop up. You can just paste it again. And then, this is very important. See this here? You need to make sure you put the exact thing you put in the last one. Okay, so what did you put in the last one? I put test.audio, or you can do you can do whatever. And then you want to paste them to both of these boxes. And basically, every time the sound is loaded, it will automatically have a volume of 1 and a pitch of 1. So you can change this up if you want. I'm not. I'm going to keep it the same. And save. Now if we're going to we can finish it off. This is when you're done or whatever. This is the manifest. It's super simple to do, but you got to change some things. Name. I'm going to keep all the names the same. But the UUIDs, I'm going to change this from a 6E to a 9D. And then BB to a DD. And this 5.3 to an 8.9. Because you have to change up the UUID. And I use Visual Studio Code. I will link that in the description too. I'll link all these things in the description that I've been using. And I'll tell you how to add it into your world on Windows 10, and I'll show an example on Pocket too. So just give me a second. And so basically, you want to open up a folder, right? Here it is, and you want to go to this PC. You want to go to your main drive. So mine's C drive, your main drive that runs Windows. You want to go to users. You want to go to your main user. Mine's Civic. You want to scroll down, and this is a big thing. You'll need to click the view button. Okay? And you'll see where it says hidden items. You need to check that on. And after you check it on, some of these things will appear. So now you'll see this app data. You need to double click that. Okay? Now we want to click local. You want to scroll down until you find packages. This is only works for Windows 10, FYI. I will do the Pocket in a second. I'll put a time stamp on screen when it's done. Then you want to scroll down, and you want to find this one called Minecraft UWP. Underscore blah blah blah, Microsoft. Now, you want to go in here, and you want to go to local state. And then you want to go into games, com.mojang, and you'll be in here. Boom. Amazing. Now, you want to click resource packs. There's two ways to do it on Windows 10 at least. You can turn this into an MC pack file, or you can just copy and paste it in there automatically. So you'll have to restart the game for this one. But how to do a pack file with WinRAR? What you want to do is you want to right click it and click add to archive, right? And you'll see here, it has all these things. It can be overwhelming if you're not really familiar. You want to click zip, right? And then you want to change this dot here from .zip to .mc pack. This has the archive format, has to be zip. And click OK. And you'll see, boom, this here. And if you double click on it, it will load up Minecraft. I already have it in the game, so it will say duplicate file because I just I pasted it in there instead of doing this. So it's going to say what do you call it? Duplicate file. See, duplicate. But that's because we already have it. So I'm just gonna put this into any world of mine. I'm just making a new world. Test world. Put this in creative and bullcrap. And you want to go to your resource packs and find this. This is the one I had. And you want to create. I've made a few packs for my friends with audio. So. And then you want to, load it up. Okay. Now you want to do /play sound. And then you want to put the sound string. What sound string is the code I told you to put in. So remember how I did test.audio? Remember that? Yeah. And this is basically how commands work. You can do it to every player. You can do it just to you. If you want to do it just for you can do this, or you can just do this. And then you can, turn up, and then you can decide I want to do add all players with the position of that and the volume of 10. I click enter. Hear that? And to stop, and And if you want to stop it, you can stop it with commands, or you can wait till it plays out or restart the world. But that's how you import custom sounds on Windows 10. Now I'm gonna cut to the Also, this works very similar on Xbox. Like where you put the files. You basically put the files into the resource pack. Same thing. I'll in the description. I'll tell you some ways you'll need to do it. And this, after the Pocket Edition, I will explain how to do it because I don't have an Xbox, so the best I can do is explain. So, skipping to the Pocket Edition bit. Okay, guys. So you want to load up Minecraft already. You want to make sure it's loaded. Okay, and you want to go to Settings, Profile, and make sure this file location storage is set to external, not application, or you'll screw the whole process up. Make sure you don't skip over this because it's very important. Now, after that, what you want to do is you want to close Minecraft, and you want to open ES File Explorer. If you don't have ES File Explorer, I will have a link in the description on the normal version, like this version, and a modded version that I use. So you want to, and make sure that you have your pack. Now, after we got that out of the way, now make sure you have your pack. Okay, make sure you're on the page of your pack, right? So you might have a zip, like maybe like not a zip, but you'll have your file if you've made it on Android or you made it on PC. Well, if you're on Android, so you made it on Android, of course. You just want to copy this, and you want to go over to this little sidebar and click Home. The home that does not have a little house icon. Home. And you want to click Games, com.mojang, and you'll see how I have all these packs. Don't worry if you do not have these packs, because it's all fine. So all you'll really need to do is you want to go in here, and you'll want to, first of all, let me cancel this. I already have it. You paste it in here. But say you don't have that folder. All you gotta do is make a new folder called resource _ packs. Let me repeat that. Resource _ packs. After you make that folder, you want to paste your folder in there with the resource pack. The sounds one and that one. Then you want to close the ES File Explorer and reopen Minecraft. And it's pretty cool. It's pretty simple. It can be a tad bit difficult if you're kind of new to it, but it should be pretty easy. You can create a new world, or you can add to one of your worlds. I'm just creating a new world that's in creative mode. You'll see here, I have a pack. This was the pack we made on my computer, if you remember. You can make it on Android too. It's super simple. It works basically the same way. I'll link a few things. I'll link a WinRAR thing, a RAR opener on Android, and I'll link a lot of things. All things will be in the description if you need to find them. You want to go to chat, and you want to do. But let me make my sound's not on, so let me make sure of that. You guys won't be able to hear it, I don't think. Nope, it's all the way up. If you guys can hear it, that's amazing, but you guys might not be able to. So what you want to do is you want to do /play stop sound. I type in your code. So mine was test.audio. Do you remember that? Yours might be something else, but mine was test.audio. Pretty amazing if you think about it. Which is pretty new. It's not taking up any music disk slot, changing any codes, all that. But big thanks to I can't remember his name. I'll put the channel name on screen right now. He was the one that helped me make it myself. So he deserves credit. I did not make the pack. It's his pack. I'm just explaining how to use it. I'm giving him full credit. Now let's skip to the kinda Xbox bit. Skipping now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I am back on my computer, and I am going to be explaining how to do an Xbox. I don't have an Xbox, so I can't visually show you, but I have screenshots from videos that I've seen. So you'll see right here, you'll see this app called My File Explorer. So it is, the problem with Xbox is, for this, it does cost money, but you can get a week free trial. So all you gotta do is make a week free trial, and then just let it waste out, because it won't spend any of the money, like any of your money, even if you have a credit card stored on the if you have a credit card stored on your X account, it will not charge any money. It will do the what do you call it? The temporary, membership thing, and you'll be fine. Now, you'll open it up and you'll see this. You'll see a couple things. You'll see removable storage. You'll see isolated storage and user removable. You want to click on this. This is what you want to click on. Right here, isolated storage. And after you click on that, you can change the colors, but you just want to make sure you go to isolated storage. Okay, you don't, okay. So, first you need to download it, which, if you know how to download it. But where you find you found downloaded files in here. Okay, all your downloaded files are in here, and then, inside of here, it will be, here it is, here's another example of what it'll be. So then you want to click on download, because this is where your downloads are stored. And then inside of your downloads,
one thing you just downloaded.
And then you want to make sure you want to hover that cursor over the file you want to move or whatever, and you want to click this button right here. See it? You probably know how to control it. It's pretty simple. You want to click that button, and then after you click that button, you'll see this thing pop up, which can be a bit annoying. I know, a bit annoying, but it's right there. You want to click Move File, and then after you click Move File, well, actually, don't move file. Sorry, sometimes I get mixed up with my words. I'm sorry. You want to click Copy File, okay? You want to click Copy File, okay? And then you want to go back to this page, and you want to click, and this time you actually want to click Isolated Storage. So, when you click this, some things will pop up. The second you click this, you'll see this, which can be, it could look, oh crap, it's broken, but it's not. Don't worry. So after you want to go over here, and you want to make sure that, let me get my paintbrush, you click this button. You'll see this little package thing. You want to hover your cursor over it and click this. Okay? After you click it, you want to scroll down till you find something called this. Give me a second. Something called this. You'll see something called Microsoft.Minecraft, FT, UTB console, or whatever. And then after you go into the console, you'll find yourself on this page right here. It's pretty simple. Local states, it's a simple page. You want to open that folder, and then after you open that folder, you will see that the last and final thing is here. You want to click on resource packs, right? Okay? And if you don't have resource packs, there is a way to make them. There'll be 3 little dots in the corner, or, well, I don't exactly know how, but say you don't have this, you want to make a new folder and call it resource_packs. And then, if say you already have it, or you just made it, you want to go inside there and paste the folder that you copied during your resource pack. Then you want to load it up, and it should work just fine. That's all. Goodbye.